Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we have lots of updates for you. It's been a while. We were going to do this downtown Las Vegas because we wanted all the glitz and glamour and the lights. But as you can see, we're already back to work. If Michelle points up on the wall, you can see the big Las Vegas sign. Oh yeah, there it is. Well, we're here in Vegas. And we're building some bears. I don't know how well you can see this. We've wireframed up Big Mama Bear here. We've got 3 smaller bears that are going to be part of the project. This is all part of the Westin Resort in Victoria, BC. And yeah, it's been a long time coming. So we now live and work in Las Vegas. And we've been down here for about 3 weeks. We've been setting up our house and looking around, looking for a shop. Friends of ours at Ace of Spades RV, they customize RV, is nice enough to lend us this small little area to get started working. And all our tools are still packed and at home, and everything's in boxes still, and we're still on the hunt for a big shop to start our work from. But for now, we can get started on the bears, and we're going to be doing lots more videos and good things coming from Las Vegas. So don't forget to like and follow us on YouTube, and you're going to see a lot more of us coming in the next few weeks. So talk to you soon. There's not many people that have done really fancy metal bears out there, so I'm looking forward to the challenge of creating some fun, happy bears for the Westin Resort. And it's kind of funny because we're doing a Canadian project, and now we're living down here in Las Vegas. So going backwards a little bit, because normally we're in Canada and building for all our clients here in the USA, so it's kind of fun that way. But pretty excited that we're down here. The weather's beautiful, and it's been a lifelong dream for me to be down in the States working and building my craft, and what better place to do it than Vegas. So make sure you follow along and follow the progress of the bears, and thanks for following.